As Oscar Pistorius gives his testimony, he is weepy and almost unable to articulate what he wants to. Is there a possibility that the court could intervene if he's unable to carry on with his testimony?
I think we've noticed that before he even entered the witness stand, that he was emotionally upset from time to time. And I think you must remember that it's a very traumatic experience to testify, even if you're a witness for the prosecution, more so when you are an accused, because the case is all about you, and what can happen if your version is not accepted, and if you give differing versions, your evidence could be rejected, you could be found guilty, and that could lead to very heavy sentencing. So there's a lot of pressure on Oscar. So, if he's going to carry on breaking down, his defense team might say, well, hang on, we just need more time. We need him to be assessed by his medical people. Maybe he needs to be seen by a psychologist or psychiatrist as to his emotional state. That to be dealt with, and maybe he needs some treatment. These are all possibilities. If the defense doesn't do it, the judge might say, but hang on, he's not coping well. Is it fair to allow somebody to give evidence in that state? And in fact, even more importantly, is it fair to allow somebody to be cross-examined when he's not himself? But, again, the judge can't just postpone to allow him to kind of regroup and get his mind back on things, because, he might for the rest of his life be breaking down emotionally. But it is obviously quite a tough time, and I think we all expected pretty much that this would take place. So there could be some delays as we go along. I mean, if he breaks down completely, there might be a delay of a couple of days for him to kind of be assessed and to be put in a position that he can testify, because the court can't have somebody who isn't emotionally well giving evidence.